Do you want a console that can run Red Dead Redemption, GTA 5, plays Spider-Man, plays God of War, plays Ghost of Tsushima, the list goes on, Horizons? This console, the PlayStation 4 in 2024, is, through my research, the best budget-friendly console of 2024. This is why. So if you look on eBay, the prices for the PlayStation 4 at this point in time are amazing. So you can get yourself a PlayStation 4 for around that $150 range. Mate, go get it, it's so good. If you just need a budget-friendly console, games that have really good prices, then get yourself a PlayStation 4. Everything pre-owned version is just so good right now in terms of its prices. Things I love about the PlayStation 4, of course, is the game selection. All the games on such good prices right now, it's incredible. Even the sales that are on. I just picked up the Red Dead Redemption pack for like 28 bucks. So worth it. You get Undead Nightmare and Red Dead Redemption in there. They brought out the GTA trilogy and that's on sale right now. Even games like GTA 5, PlayStation 4 version, super good price. Red Dead Redemption 2, super good price. All the exclusives are going on for super good price. These are all just the games. The console itself, once again, 150 bucks, and you get that much. You can't even get a PC that runs that good for that price. If you really think about it, yes, PC has more customization, but like it's gonna be way more expensive for your gaming experience, right? So getting a PS4 seems like a logical choice for a really good budget-friendly setup, even better than the Xbox Series S, because it's more cost affordable than the Xbox Series S at the end of the day because of just the prices of everything all together. You don't have to subscribe to anything, you can just own the games pre-owned and it will actually be cheaper than an Xbox Series S at this point. Unbelievable, man, unbelievable. I found this just doing my own research and I found, yeah, the PS4, 100% a go-to. You can get the PS4 Pro as well for an extra 50 bucks. Plays the 4K support, absolutely incredible. This one, the PS4 Slim, also amazing, 150 bucks. Original PS4 as well for a really good price. You could even pick them up for like 100 bucks. Go on eBay, check out the prices. Make sure that it's got good description, great photos, at least 4 photos. Make sure that they show that it's working and everything. Returns enabled. A lot of sellers don't do the returns, but I'm like, just do returns, bro. Just in case something happens, you know, so just in case of you guys, like make sure that there's plenty of protection or insurance there for when you're shipping electronics, and just make sure that the seller has good ratings as well. So that's just something to be cautious of. In terms of Facebook Marketplace, just make sure that you're safe, you're meeting up in a public space, you're making sure that it's properly working. Make sure they can send a video of them playing the PlayStation 4 just to show that it works, you know what I mean? So making sure that's in great condition. If you want to spend a little bit more, then CEX is there for you. Just making sure that you get an A-class model that is in great condition. You get to see it in first person. You know that they test it, you know that it'll work. So with CEX, it's actually good because you could possibly trade in something else, get yourself a PS4, get yourself a whole bunch of games as well. So there's that value with CEX as well. Man, I'm just excited about the PS4. They've even brought out games recently with the PlayStation 4 as well that have just been absolutely fantastic. I love those 2-in-1 game deals as well with that Red Dead Redemption bundle with Undead Nightmare included. And you got the GTA trilogy, Batman Arkham trilogy as well, that's been really good too. Like comparing it to the PlayStation 5, okay, the PlayStation 5 overall is going to be a lot better. But once again, for 150 bucks for a console that is super budget friendly and will enable you to play some of the latest gen games, as well as a lot of the PlayStation 4 games, which are even better than half the PlayStation 5 range already, it's so worth it. Got fully online gameplay. They are not continuing with the PlayStation 4 probably after this year, but still like the libraries included. You get remote play features, you get VR headset features. The DualShock controller is actually not that bad either. PlayStation Store fully enabled as well. Online gameplay fully enabled as well. Man, it's hard not to say that this console is still absolutely worth it. Even with the PS4 Pro, you can get the 4K support. Yes, there's no ray tracing. There's slower load speeds. You're gonna get the load time menus, all that sort of stuff. The internal fan is a bit louder for $150 though. Come on, it's really hard not to say no at that point. Who's gonna complain that you get a full-fledged console for like $150 pre-owned that's in really good condition, man? Making sure that you keep good care of it when you actually buy it. Maybe you could open it up in a safe way, clean it out a little bit, maybe maintaining the console would be good. I mean, for a 10-year-old console, it's 100% worth it. It's one of the best consoles that has lasted such a long time, an incredible console. You got games like The Last of Us to play, Last of Us Part 2 as well, the Uncharted series to play, Ratchet & Clank you could play Horizon's New Dawn, Metal Gear Solid, for example. A lot of AC games are amazing in this generation, and they're all on sale at the moment, even for the digital downloads too. So what's not to love about this? Even niche games like Omega Collection, man, so many good games. And it could be used as a media device too. So you could use like Netflix, Prime, YouTube, all that stuff on it. It plays 4K DVDs as well, so there's that major upside as well. It does have, I believe, a 1080p output resolution with the PlayStation 4. Once again, 4K output resolution max. It won't play it with every single game, but a lot of games do have that 4K output as well. It's so small, like in comparison to the PlayStation 5 as well. A lot more budget friendly and a little bit smaller than the PS5 Slim as well. Has everything you need with the inputs and outputs. You got 2 outputs at the front, 2 outputs at the back. Yes, they're still releasing games for it, so it shows that, you know, it's still in that way where it's like, okay, this is still something you can get along with, you know, you don't have to worry too much about it. Look, man, there's too much upside to this to say any negatives at this point. For the $150 price point, for getting a full-fledged console that'll play all the games you want, such as Red Dead Redemption 2, it plays GTA 5 once again. Yeah, the load times are going to be a little bit longer, but it's worth the wait for a $150 console. I mean, come on guys, like, what else are you going to get for that price point? I mean, you can't even get a PC for that price point. You can't get much else. Maybe an Xbox One for that price point, but I prefer the PlayStation for its exclusives. Once again, there's too much upside to say that this is absolutely not worth it in 2024. Come on. I mean, that's just it. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a beautiful day.